Fulani herdsmen, they say they don't enter inside Imo State and they carry students. They demand for money right now. This is what is going on as we dey talk. As Nosonkwa don't call out the police to interfere and do something to rescue the student. As that one dey happen, this our sister don't come outside say that the family of one guy wey buy for inside Anambra State where Ikenga Uruagu is claiming that he's IPOB or is working with IPOB. He said that he go make sure say the family carry Ikenga Uruagu go for all the whole deities, all the whole RSC wey dey for Alibo. Make him come explain how that boy take dey work with IPOB or ESN as he claim. It already though, as it dey happen, many people don refer me, tell me say e get one otondo. I don't know. They say e get one boy wey dey always claim saying they talk for Igbo people. They say that this guy say that there's nothing like Fulani in Igbo land. In fact, he say for in village, for in community, for Oka or whatever he said. I go play the videos, may una watch as it dey happen, because the ignorant now we want affect our people. It go lead us for a very big problem. The enemy will take us on our way. Let us watch the full videos before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Oh, my very, very sad one. A very, very sad one. Come be Sunday or Saturday. The Fulani herdsmen not room school photo. Come back now. Police has not acted. Police has not released any press release. Police. PPR, I told you about this thing. Come back and when an update. No. He have a police station. They went update. No. He have a police station. You people, you know the meow in a low marker. Now got a hostel, now show marker ego. But I'm not a room school. The same room school, and I shall go. After how you not do anything. Now these people, Toru marker since Sunday, who go 25 million each. A BTG price, the BTG price, as at yesterday, can see what they say 7.5 million. Our parents, one of the parents at Orongwea, I'm very well. One of the parents at Orongwea, Orubulena IBC, I'm very, very well. That man, 7.5 million. When we have police in Iyaba, we have police station in Iyaba. There is no security inside Futo. There is no restriction. Everybody is passing through inside the school. Everybody is passing through inside the school premises. There is no restriction inside Futo. Also, one ask one no, but no Fulani herdsmen. How can I ban Futo? A short of money to Maka. Hostess in neighbor, Hotu can the Fulani herdsmen, she managed Umakana lecture Atroha, Umakana la school Atroha, Umaka Lawa Atroha, Umaka Shigagaru Atroha. What is happening? What is Imo police command doing? You have a police command mega. Unabakiti Kamba. Unabakiti Kamba. Already Lumakana, get a hostel now, harass Umakana, name has thought. That is the only thing you are good at. Manatro lumu school na unu gegoshi power, unu gegoshi professionalism, unu gegoshi unu mono na una meme. Ni mo ya ko maka no, ka be Sunday ruota. Omonye kugoku onya wona bakiti because of Ohunwage. Onya wona bakiti in Imo State because of Ohunwage. I want the governor in Imo State, Ohunwage. Yeah, umo mare school. Uma ko meni hoja gas school. And they put the bandits, terrorists, Fulani herdsmen, Tronomaka, Kambe Sunday. Nobody's talking about it. The school management is not doing anything. The government is not doing anything. Police is not doing anything. Because of Uhumunu, Uhumwanempunu, Uhumwanunu. Unabati Ketumaka and Ronimo here. 7.5 million. They let me show it here. Police should do something. Oh, yeah, I need Kufuto. You people should invade it. You people should invade it. ESN now. Once I should ESN, you will see the arsenal of police entering into bush, entering into also, entering into here. But to Fulani herdsmen are doing this thing. Nobody has invaded the forest. Nobody has went into the forest to shoot and to gun down. Because some the Fulani herdsmen. Akuda hugie. Akuda holaya now. Ekuye na yadika yeneku. But Umaka has been in the bush for the past how many days? That Tuesday. si Sunday ụmụaka nọ n'ime ọhịa. Ka anyị na-agagodi n'ubi a ka ji n'aka. Nigerian Police, Imo State Police Command, rụọ n'ọrụ unu. Do your
Ikenga Uruagu, because of Ngoma Kanji Igbo when they made this video. Ikenga Uruagu, kwuru that na ọ na-abụ akwụ ọgwụ ụgwọ ịpụta ị na-aka akụkọ abụrụ eziokwu in order to tarnish the images of Igbos. Mana kwefu this guy nwụrụ na Anambra State, nwụrụ na Mgbakwoka, nke a ka ji wee kpote n'eziokwu. Isi na this guy wo ihe ọ na-eme bụ na ebe ọ na-anọ ka ndị oshi shi take off. Abi ebe ọ na-anọ ka ndị ori ji take off. O ji wee buru ụzọ wee nụsaba ndị udo ga-achị ọgụ. Wee buru mma wee maa ndị udo ga-achị. Onye udo ga-achị wee nalị ya mma wee maa ya. Ikenga Uruagu ka m gwa gị eziokwu, isi this time around ihe niile ị na-eme dọndasasị niile ị na-asịcha na otu ọbụla esi ezi gị je na-agba amasị gbagide ndị Igbo. Akwefu this time around nke gbasara this boy na this akili egwu na mgbakọ ka m gwa gị eziokwu ebe a ka ijechere ije ọfọgụ na because me I will make sure say na ndị nwe that boy ga-atụgha alụsị ụzọ asaa so that next time ọ bụ na ị mara ihe kwu ebu eziokwu ikwuo because of Ngoma Kanji Igbo wee na-eme this video. You understand? Your own adigo too much. Because a na-achọ ka e wetere this boy justice. Ka mama governor for Anambra State aya compensate the illegal killing of this boy. He put on social media because of akwano. Ikenga Uruagu, ihe ove mgbakwu ga-egbu gị. Ikenga Uruagu, asị gị na ove ndị ebe ga-egbu gị. You never see anything. See, let me tell you, all these things that you are, all this word in there rubbish, you see me answer you. When I see your video, I pass. Do you understand? But you see this time around, alụsị ụzọ asaa ka ndị nwe this boy here atụghị. Ka mmadụ n'one ha ndị Fulani n'one bandit ndị udo ga-achị gbugoro.
I'm certain that there is no Fulani herdsmen in Nnewi where I reside. I'm certain that Fulani herdsmen cannot come into Nnewi to harass anybody. It's not possible. It's not possible. In fact, Igbo people have an adage. No oke no nuno. Well oke no nofia. Nazo no nangega. No Fulani herdsmen will invade an Igbo. A separate nation is not what we need at this point in time. A big country like Nigeria is beneficial to the Igbos. You are enjoying it. Is there discrimination in some certain areas? Yes! That's why inequality exists in life. You cannot remove inequality. There's also some people that are suffering because the Igbos are existing in Nigeria. I gave a careful example. Was it today or yesterday? I made a post. I said that Benin, they were a nation. They are an ancient history. But they lumped them together with Nigeria. Are you hearing them complain? Are they among the big three? Do you know that there are so many nationalities, ethnic nationalities, that we are a sovereign nation on their own before this union that have become small for the big three to exist in Nigeria?
My people, now don't hear them. As it they happen, how would they bring and they can't give honor? When I don't see them, the Fulani herdsmen, they say no Fulani herdsmen in Igbo land. They are nah, this one don't happen. Me when I go find the people, come outside, come tell us who be those people who kidnap those children, who those school for photo, who be those people. One know if they are truly Funanis or they are not. Remember, they have captured Fulani in that particular side many times in this kidnapping work. So let you people go and investigate. Where is Udele and in group? Go and make sure say you fish out those people at. If you are truly fighting for Igbo people, now it's time for you to move and go and fish out them.